Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. We are here today doing some slime with the Scented Glitter Slime Studio. And it wouldn't be Makayla's Playground without my little lady,
Hi,
Makayla.
Hi everyone, welcome to Makayla's Playground. Today we're going to do the Nickelodeon Slime Studio. And I'm back with my mommy.
Hi.
So this is a really fun and exciting thing. We never did this before. You can make little rainbow slime. You can make just rainbow slime. You can make crunchy slime. You can make unicorn slime, glitter slime. You can collect all of these. So first we have to build it.
Yep, so let's build the slime maker.
And let's open it.
And hold on, it's actually on the other side. What I did is I opened it up to make sure we had everything we needed, right? Because we've learned that sometimes we get these things and it doesn't come everything we need. It's not an all-in-one. So there we go. Alrighty. So it comes, it is a lot of stuff. It comes with the glue, the activator,
and the
white glue. The instructions, okay, and then, okay, and then it comes with the paint, which I have no clue what this is for. Makayla probably knows.
You make the colors.
Oh, okay, very smart. I didn't even know that. Okay, and then
we have a little bag.
It has all.
And there's this little stick because I don't know what it is.
I think that's just the garbage.
Yeah.
So we have all the glitter and the little confetti and the little crystal balls right here.
And some glitter and some
more
white glitter.
Let's look at this while we build it. Okay, so.
Can you open this one?
Oh yeah, let's open this one too. So how's everyone doing with homeschool and quarantine?
They're doing good because I just heard that.
Oh, okay. You heard them say it? I didn't hear anything. What did you hear?
I just heard a chick. Yay! They told me. Did you hear anything?
I didn't. Can you hear? Wait. Show me again. Here. Let me listen. Okay, I heard it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, so we can face this, so show them how to put it together. We got that part.
And we got
it has.
I don't know what it's for.
So it has these little cups to put the slime in afterwards. Do they? Okay. So let's do some classic slime. So it comes with the directions and it tells you beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So let's do the beginner because mommy's a beginner. So it says unscrew the crank top of the mixer.
No,
it is open. Okay, measure 15 milliliters. Where's the measuring cup? Measure 15 milliliters of, there we go, okay, of white glue.
I did it.
Good job. Okay, so let's pour it in here. 15 milliliters.
15 milliliters.
Okay, so pour this in here. Okay, just try to keep it in the middle as much as you can. And let's try to
get it out.
It says try to scoop it all out without getting it on the sides. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You're doing great.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, my love. Oh, thank you.
Oh, you got makeup on.
First time in like a week and a half, huh? I've worn makeup. Okay, so I think we got as much out as we could. Okay, so hold this. Okay, we hold it like this so all the glue could come off, and then I'm gonna pour 30 milliliters of room temperature
Mommy, all of
water.
It is off.
So do 30 milliliters. Sorry, of room temperature water. Okay, so now it says, what does it say right there?
It says make it fun, choose your
Additive.
additive.
Okay, so do you want to do neon glow in the dark, scented slime, crunchy slime, or confetti slime?
I want magenta purple.
Okay, so you could use, hold on, with any of these you could do the colors. So want to do confetti slime?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's...
I want these.
Okay, so do 1 spoonful.
Okay.
You want these ones? These confettis? Or which ones?
I want this.
Or the sparkles? Oh, I didn't even notice that. You want this one?
Yeah, I want silver. This?
Ooh, that's so watery, huh? Let's do a little bit more. That looks cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Oh.
It's okay if it's supposed to. Okay.
Is that
now,
good?
yeah, and now put in your glitter. Okay.
I just want to do it. Oh, I want to do golden too.
Oh, now you want to mix
Ow,
that?
you're touching my ear.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're still healing with our ears. We have 6 more days before we could change them out.
Yeah.
So in case you didn't know, Makayla got her ears pierced a couple weeks ago.
Did you watch the video, guys? I heard a chat. Did you hear the chat?
I did. Got it? Ooh.
Glitter and golden.
Glitter.
Silver and golden. Activator next.
Wait, hold on. Okay, so it says first, not the activator yet. So let's put this back on. You got it? Okay, so you put that back on and twist it until it's sealed. Is it sealed?
No.
Okay, let me help you. Or you got it? Good job. You got it. Let's see.
There.
Okay. And then slowly turn the crank with one hand while holding the mixer in your other hand.
There, Mommy.
Okay, so hold it with one hand, hold this with one hand, and crank it with the other. Okay? Okay, now it says to measure.
Wait,
Let me take this off for you.
we need a new cup.
It's okay, we can use the same cup.
But I want to get,
It's fine.
let's use this one.
That one doesn't have 5 milliliters. So this one's fine. This is okay. So,
Oh, let's turn it into real slime.
There we go.
Look. Wait, let me go get my other things.
so let's go ahead and untwist this real fast. It's okay. Stick it in. I didn't. Oh, they're little hearts.
I didn't realize that.
Oh, she only want a couple. She
That's just a couple.
doesn't want to use all of them. Okay.
Let's save some for later.
I know. Okay, so now you could pour this in here, in that little slot now. Pour it in, right there. There you go. Okay, now do it again. It says, do it again, crank it.
I think I did it too hard.
I thought this was gonna be foolproof. We used activator, right? Hold on. Let's put more. Here. Wanna add more glue and see what happens?
I'm tired. I'm waiting all day.
I don't know what we did wrong. Hold on. Hold on. This is... We have a little bit of slime. I don't know why this is not... Say hi.
It does that sometimes.
Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, we'll show them our sad slime.
That was
Okay, quick commercial break.
Toilet paper, cereal, a dabbing, toothpaste, Target lighting, all the cases. Liberty, liberty. Yeah, that's that.
Real fast. We made this slime.
Was terrible.
Okay, so I don't think we're going to be going to the expert slime anytime soon. What do you think? So far with all the stuff me and Makayla have attempted together, bath
Pour
bombs.
slime. Boo-hoo.
So I don't know. These are not mommy proof.
Let's do this.
Okay, let's do this. Okay. Let's face it this way so they could see. Okay, so let's do again.
Our pour slime.
Okay, let's do the glue. Okay, ready?
We did not bet on our
Okay.
cupcakes. So
Wanna
we
do
did
it?
bet on our cakes.
Where's this?
Experiment. We did a bet on the slime. What did you see? Can't you see? You shall see.
Thanks a lot. Okay. Go. Sing a song to it. Whoa. Okay, ready? Let's see. How long does it say to spin for? 10 minutes? Okay, with the slime pre-made. Hold on. It's all at the bottom still. Hold on, let me put more glue. Hold on. Okay, let's see. I don't think that worked either.
No.
Joe? Hey! Let's see, hold on.
Did it work?
Oh, we got more. Hold on. Ooh. There's a napkin. This is so slimy. Oh. Okay, so we got more of this slime.
There. Did you watch our scavenger hunt video?
Can we hear? Do you hear anything? I can't hear.
I can't hear.
Oh, you can hear.
Chat, chat, chat. Wait, one. Yeah.
Oh, we got more. Look at the first one. Show them the first one and then the second one. Like, show me the other one. Boo. So we've moved on from beginner to expert rainbow slime.
5 colors.
We still didn't even do the beginner right.
Wait, I see some. Let's put this on for 20 minutes so we don't see it. Can you hold this, Mommy, while I mix with
Are you trying to hide it from them or from us?
from them?
Because they could still see it. That's supposed to be that. There you go. There you go.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, we actually did it right! It actually worked.
Look at that. Looks so funny.
And
Ah!
it's really
Oh, good job. You did get it. Now you can put some glitter things. Took us a while to figure it out, but Makayla did it. I can't take any credit for this. Okay.
I got so many.
It's alright.
Do you want to do silver, golden, or purple?
Ask which one they want.
Which one do you want?
Purple.
They want purple?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I heard. Wait.
What did you hear?
Oh, they want gold. And a little bit of purple.
Hmm.
And just a little bit purple, but a lot of it's golden.
So it doesn't matter what anybody says, guys. It's all squeaky now. What did we do? Oh, whoa, okay, okay. Oh, it's not even pink anymore. It's all glitter. That is pretty.
That is so.
Here.
2 thumbs up.
This is really pretty.
1,000,001,000 footballs for this.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Just 10 for the pink one. Just 10 for the.
Well, I'm actually really impressed. You did a really good job with this, love. We're going to continue playing, but we're going to say bye. So tell everyone, what's your favorite part of the slime maker?
the paints
The paints, the little
and
paints
the
that
little
comes with.
stickers
Oh, and the stickers. You're right.
and the
What?
glitter.
And the glitter. There's a lot of glitter everywhere, so
But
I actually recommend this. Like I
With
said,
the,
put more glue than it says.
yeah, with the slime that tested out really.
So this was our first little sad one. And then the second one we attempted
was more stickier.
was
than that.
stickier, but there's like a gallon of confetti inside. And it's not that stretchy, it comes apart. And then the third one that is the winner, because there's a lot of glue, is, show them, is this one. Hold on, let me see it. Is this one that Makayla made. It was pink and now it's full of glitter.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another Nickelodeon Slide DIY Studio Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Bye. If you want to watch the Cake of Soap one or the new Nickelodeon one, just touch any. Like Pop-Up Pirate and Roll to Clap.
Roll to glue. We're not that fancy.
And we can do educational videos because why does floods happen? Wow!
Okay, are we done with the longest
Roll
outro
to
ever?
clap. Bye. If they only two and wait a minute with the slide.
Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope everyone's enjoying their time home together.
Yeah.